Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be fixing this slime that I think it's rotten in the bottom, so we're going to fix that one today. So first I'm going to take the slime out of the container. It has chunks. Boop. Well, that was unexpected. So let me just take that out. And I'm making my hands dirty. Let me mix whatever this stuff is into the slime. This is brown juice. Wow. I have these things here with me so that I can fix this slime. And it seems like this slime is sticky, but also stretchy. The slime is very dull. And first, I am going to get my activator and put it in. Whoa, look at that big bubble. I made this activator kind of strong because when I saw the slime, I realized that it was melted, but I didn't know it was gonna have this brown stuff on the bottom. I'm gonna keep mixing this up until it gets fully dry, and then I'm gonna add my stuff. Okay, so now that I'm done mixing in whatever that was, it's kind of rubber, so I think I'm going to add in my clay. This clay is supposed to be soft clay, and this slime is hard, so I hope this clay makes the slime softer. I'm not using all this clay because this is way too much for this little slime. There. As you can see, it's very soft. I think this slime is going to turn into a light purple because it's like dark blackish, and sometimes dark black turns into purple or blue. This has fruits. It's banana. This isn't mixing too well, so I think I'm going to get lotion. So I'm going to get my lotion, and I have a trick. So what you need to do is you need to get lotion, squirt some on your slime. Let me open this up. It's easier that way. Get some on my hand. Nice. Rub it on my hand. And just want to rub that right there. And then rub it and then turn it flat again. And get some more lotion and squirt it on this side. Rub it in on this side. When you're done with that, then mix all the lotion in, and then it should be perfect. See, it's already getting stretchier. I knew that trick works. Yeah. So, I'm just gonna put some lotion here, and nice and lotiony. This slime is like really buttery, so I'm gonna see if I could try making it kind of clicky. I'm getting way softer, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more lotion. And just a little bit, not a lot. There you go. And now I'm gonna mix that in. Whoa, look how stretchy it got. It's so stretchy. Okay, I'm just moving this to the side. Oof, I gotta crack my bones. Okay. Now I'm done mixing in the lotion. It got way softer. I think I'm gonna get color. I'm gonna get, this is close to a purple, so let me see what color. I'm gonna get this purple here. I'm gonna get this one, and I'm gonna get pink, and let's see, do I have sky blue? See, sky blue, intense purple, and pink. So now I'm gonna get this really pretty purple, this pinkish color, and this blue. These three colors are like unicorn color glitters. So now I'm going to separate into 3 parts so I could add the food coloring in. So first I'm gonna add in my sky blue. I'm gonna add my sky blue first. Wait, shouldn't this be lighter? Yeah, I'm gonna add some more clay first. I don't want the slime to be dull, right? So now I'm getting this clay, and I'm gonna split this here and this here. So I'm mixing the blue slime. I see it got a little rippy. It got a lighter purple, so now I'm gonna add my blue dye. Yeah, that's good. This food coloring is strong, so I don't use too much, because I want it in like a light blue. Satisfying. Okay. Whoa, looks so pretty. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more blue. Squirt, 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 squirt. I added too much. Whoa. Hope it turns blue. Whoa. Okay, this is actually turning blue, but yeah, I added a little too much. I'm turning to a Smurf. Whoa. I think this turned to like an indigo color, like bluish indigo. It's okay. It's still blue though. Okay, now I'm gonna mix in this one. This one's gonna be pink. That's why I added most of the white clay to it. Let me see if I can try to make a bubble. No, I can see you though. I'm gonna add a little bit more lotion to this slime. Hulk. Okay, nice. This slime is gonna be made by Hulk. I should have made this one green then. Pink Hulk, yeah, Lady Hulk. Okay, now I add in the white clay and some lotion. I'm going to add in my pink food coloring. Ooh. My hand is so slippery. Whoa. I'm gonna make a swirl, pink and my purple. Let me see if I can try to do a slime flip. Whoa, you see that? Go to the side, then go to the slide. Nice. It's like I didn't even add pink in there, so little. I was dropping it on the table. Oh my god. I need to pick that up. Whoa. Looks like the slime is getting stickier from the food color. I think I added a little too much. It's getting pink though. Whoa, you see this magenta color? I'm gonna move the blue slime to the side because I don't want to get stick to the pink. I'm adding a little bit of activator. It looks like water, but as you see in the bottom, it has white stuff, and that's baking soda. Wait, not baking soda. What is it again? Borax, yeah. I'm gonna clean up this brownness. Okay, the activator helped. Now the slime is not so sticky. Looks like this slime is purple, not pink. More pink. Yeah, okay. Nice, sticky, nice sticky pink stuff. Whoa, you see how sticky that is? That's what happens when you add too much. Love it. This was a little too sticky, and now I added activator, and now it's gonna be rubber, not sticky. So that's a problem. Let me mix all this activator in, and let's see how this turned out. Okay, so it turned out not rubber, but it's still kind of sticky. So let me see. Look at that. Isn't that so satisfying? Whoa, it's like a rainbow fall. Instead of rainbow, it's purple. Magenta spiderweb. Nice. Okay, now that I mixed all of the activator in, I'm gonna add a little bit pink glitter. I forgot to add the blue glitter and the blue slime, but I'll add that after I'm done with the pink slime. Okay, this is pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna get my blue slime. Why does that have to happen to me? Why me? Okay, chicks. This is gonna be a crunchy slime. You know what, actually, I don't think that was too much. I think that wasn't enough. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now it's enough. You see that glitteriness? So pretty. Whoa. You know what? Let me keep a little bit of the slime from before. And the slime after. Well, I'm mixing this clay first. Burrito. Hey, I'm ordering a burrito from Burrito. Okay, this is how you make homemade slime burritos. First you get lotion, and your stuff is made out of clay. This is the guacamole. Guacamole that's purple. Okay, and now we gotta smooth the guacamole out. The purple guacamole out, because it's special, you know. Now we need to add avocados. Yeah, avocados. Purple avocados, because this is the purple themed burrito. Nice. There. And now we also need some blue salt. Salt Bay. And now that's how you make the burrito. Now all you need to do is roll it up and give it to your customer. Here, do you want a stretchy burrito? And the customer will say this: no, thank you, burrito. And then you mix the burrito because the customer doesn't want it. That's a homemade burrito. Yeah. This one's gonna be light purple, and that one's gonna be dark, I guess. This one's gonna be light. Yes. ender portal from Minecraft. And then it goes into the poopy darkness of watery poop. Whoa, and then it goes to the ender dragon. And then it goes to the slime world. Yes. This purple slime is finished. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add just the rest of this glitter, but so big. Okay, that's good. And now I'm gonna add this purple glitter. Okay. Totally wasn't struggling. So big. Okay. And I'm gonna get my box of glitters. Box of glitters. And this is, you see, box of glitters. Now I'm gonna get this glitter, so pretty. I'm gonna use it for the purple and the pink slime. Whoa, it's so pretty and vibrant. Barito. Okay, now I'm done with the slime. Now let's mix all the slimes together. First, I'm gonna flatten the purple slime out, the blue slime, and then the pink slime. This is like a magenta color, so. And then I'm gonna get all my colors and add it on. Okay, just a little bit on this one, not too much. Okay, that was too much. Wait, was it too much? That was too little. Too little. No, that was too much. That was too much. Never too much. Okay, there. And now I'm gonna add this purple glitter. I'm not forgetting about the blue. It's just the pink and the purple look the same, so I'm kind of confused. Which is the pink and which is the purple? Which is the blue? What? Okay. Add some mozzarella blue cheese. And take blue glitter. And then I'm gonna take, let's see, which one is prettier? This one or this one? This one. As you see, this one is really pretty. It's like this color mixed with dark. It's like so pretty, right? Yeah, I know, because I'm right. I'm always right. Now I'm just gonna pour a little bit of glitter into the cat. Okay, that was too little. Now that's a little too much. There. Nice. Okay, now I'm gonna make a burrito. Okay, now I'm gonna mix up the slime burrito. Whoa. This feels so weird in the inside, but it's so pretty. The unicorn horn on top. Nice. And now I'm gonna add the burrito glitter. Now, who says this doesn't look so pretty? Because this looks so pretty. Okay, now ASMR. ASMR. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and like. See you next video. Bye.